This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Hannah Arnold. Discover this gem of a home with an awesome floor plan designed for seamless living. The living room flows effortlessly into the kitchen, creating a warm and inviting space great for everyday living and entertaining. Step out onto the screened-in back porch where you can enjoy 3 views of the fully fenced backyard. This property features a huge detached garage with ample space for your camper, boat, or workshop needs. Looking for a home with incredible potential? This is your opportunity to build equity. Listed below market value, $480,000 after renovations. Don't miss out on this rare great bridge find. January 3, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Hannah Arnold at 757-323-3430.